Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid again. Guys, right now I have LaserJet Pro 400 color printer. The model number is M451NW. The issue is whenever we give print command, it's showing the error message jam in tray 2. Please clear jam. Today I am going to teach you how to fix this problem if your printer is showing this message jam in tray 2. Stay with me and watch the complete video. This is the message in the screen. You can see clear jam in tray 2. Okay, first of all, we have to cancel the all print orders. The issue is with this printer that feeder roller is rotating but not picking up the paper, so we have to clean the feeder roller. We have to bring this printer into secondary service mode, so carefully see that how I will going to do this. We have to press menu button, then the left arrow, then press these two buttons together. Suppose it should be appear here. Again we will try again. Look, it's appeared secondary service. It's a combination of cancel button and left arrow button. You have to press once menu button, then back, then these two buttons together. You will appear here secondary service mode. You will find. Then we have to press OK, and we will move further till we will see option the last pick roller. Okay, press OK, and now it's asking that press OK to rotate. Now we'll press OK. You will hear a voice. It's rotated. Now it's showing that replace roller, then turn off, then on. Okay, now it's ready to work. We will remove the tray from here, and then I will make like this printer. Okay, here is feeder roller, you can see. So now we have to remove the feeder roller with the help of our both hands. These two locks pull out and you will find this feeder roller. Okay, this is the feeder roller. So we need flat screwdriver, and this is separation roller. Clean this also with the paper napkin or cloth napkin. Clean this and remove this plastic, and then okay, here we go. Now what I am going to do, if you have a new one you can change it. I will and I will see that this other side also used. It's not a new, it's already changed. So if your printer is this side is very well, you can place this like you can, the downside you can bring it on the top, and the top one may put make it to the down. So the down one was mostly used, so I will use this like, okay, it's a little better than before. So now we will place back this lock that we removed. Okay, here we go. Now we will clean it with the help of WD-40 spray and a little water, and also we will clean this separation roller. Use this WD-40 bit amount. Now I am going to clean it again with the help of 40 spray. So also we clean that separation roller. Here we go. Now we will fix back again this pickup roller inside. Carefully, you will hear a sound like this. Okay, it's ready. Now we will turn back on the printer and we'll check is it feeding well or not. You can see straight away it's picked up the paper, but we will check again. I will give the splice status page, we will give print that printed ready. Okay, it's ready now. We'll go reports, demo page, splice status page. Now I want to see that it should be pick up the paper in the first attempt, and you can see it's pick up the paper in the first attempt, guys. So this is a splice status page, and you can see it's working fine. Yes guys, this was the method to fix this printer paper jam 2 error. It's a bit tricky when you are going to rotate the pickup roller and you have to bring the printer first of all in secondary service mode, the combination of 2-3 buttons over here. So make practice. If you are going to rotate the feeder roller, hopefully you will get it. And in case if you required any further information regarding this printer or any other Color LaserJet printer, you can ask in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.